So now we look at decimal division. Now we do know that division is the inverse of multiplication. So obviously that aspect will stay, and we can take what we are saying is, as always in division, how many of these can fit into the whole. So if I say, instead of let's say 9.25, I take 9. So my question is, what is 9 divided by 2.5? So how many 2.5s, like with the right side of 2.5, how many squares will I fit till I get to 9? The total area of 9. Okay. So I have 2.2, 1, 2, I have 0.5. Okay. So this part I know. One side I know. I don't know the other side, but I know one side quite clearly, right? That's 2.5. Okay. So if I go one square, that will give me 2.5. If I go the second square, that will give me 5. If I go the third square, that will give me 7.5. If I go the fourth square, it will give me 10. Too much. So I go up to the 3 squares. So I know that this part is 3. Okay. So now the question is, how do I proceed next? So again, to reiterate, I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5. 7.5 is already there. So let's add another 0.5 and see if we don't go over. So if we add a 0.5, that will give me another 1. So that's 8.5. And if I put this becomes 8.75. This 25 squares, right? 0.25. So this one is, sorry, I could have used red. 0.25. This one is 0.5 plus 0.5 together. So for me that's like 8.5. So 8.75. So all I am left with is 0.25 to get to 9. Right? So I have 2.5 here. I want 0.25. That is just one more square. So this has given me another, the red one is 0.25. Right. Each square is 1. So that's 20, 0.25. So this gives me a total of 9. So the division is the same process as we have usually done, which is to say that if I put it in an area, what will be the other side? So this is only for understanding what is it that what does decimal division mean, right? If you were to do it, how would you do it? You would just go ahead and you will remove the decimal point, which means you'll make it 90, right? And then you will say, okay, 5 tables. You're basically doing the standard division, right? So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 4, 18. So 1.8. So 18 by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Sorry. And then you have, okay, 6 left. That's all.